far away. Then good morning everybody, happy Saturday. It's very nice. I was cleaning up my bed and spend time with myself. It's very lovely day, no raining, so I have planned to grab something to drink and make some breakfast. Just came back home and this is what I got. Cold strawberry matcha and some pork with sticky rice. At first I was gonna make omelette, but yeah, got this one instead. So good, right? Only 25 baht. So this is my breakfast. And I also bought some noodles. The soup. This will going to be my lunch. It's some noodles with chicken, the soup inside, and I also got watermelon. Only 20 baht. So cheap. We forgot some cake that I bought from Maison. It's a coconut cake. We'll try later. it's the next day. I'm about to heading some coffee shop. So this is my outfit today. Is a little crop top, short, and some accessories, little bow in here, earrings, rings, and some glasses, and tote bag. This cafe was so peaceful, so let's check inside. It's nice to go out sometime and spend time with yourself, do what you like. So I decided to come in this cafe because actually in the weekend I'm just sleep and take a rest, but I feel like I want to do something, but it's very worth it to come. Look at the flower around this house. It's very beautiful, and I heard they are renovated from the old house to the cafe. I think it's a very good idea, and you can also take the pet because in here it's a pet friendly, and I just explore around the house. And this is very early, it's not too many people. I love it so much. Everywhere is a nature and green. It's feel relaxing. I love this place a lot, and I'm just trying to admiring the nature around here and see everything. Feel so good. Hi guys, just came back home. It was so hot outside, so this is what I got from the market. It's a pineapple, and cantaloupe. This one is like 20 baht each. It's pretty cheap. Also, it's like the pork with the basil and on top with fried. Looks so good. Hey, it's so cheap. And what else? The drinks. This one is my favorite drinks. With some grape lemon soda. As you can see the last video with the som tam, I already drank this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna shower first and then let's eat.